cancel to return in your host setup, we're going to go to routing ID. I'm going to go ahead and enter a routing ID. So change routing ID, and then we're going to go to our numbers. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll go back to our alphabet, and then we'll do SC for switch commerce. And we'll go back to our numbers, and we'll do 1, 0, 1. That looks good to me, so enter to apply. That looks good, so cancel to return, and cancel to return. And now all your host information is set.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.